As officials across the country work to address the opioid crisis, there's now a new round of federal funding that's coming to Connecticut to help people who may be addicted.
So much need out there. NBC Connecticut's Mike Massaro joins us live now with new details. Mike?
Well, yes, Kevin, federal funding is coming to Connecticut to recovery centers like this one here in Meriden. But the question is it enough? Senator Blumenthal doesn't think so and is advocating for much more over the next decade. Substance abuse recovery experts we spoke with today agree.
The opioid crisis is an equal opportunity nationwide killer.
Backed by a panel of substance abuse recovery experts he called Warriors Against Addiction, Senator Richard Blumenthal addressed new federal funding allocated to fight opioid addiction. In the closing days of 2019, Congress approved a budgetary increase of $500 million dedicated to substance abuse and addiction programs. The federal money increases from $1 billion to $1.5 billion nationwide, which some in Connecticut say is not enough.
We're losing the equivalent of Americans lost in 9/11 every 2 to 3 weeks in America to the opioid crisis.
The 2020 budget increase means approximately $6 million more for Connecticut programs. But Hartford Healthcare's Dr. J. Craig Allen feels even more is needed.
Unfortunately, we are in a corridor here in the Northeast where our rates of opioid overdose death far exceed many different parts of the country. So I would have liked to have seen more money coming our way.
Federal money is used in Connecticut to fund programs that include access to medication-assisted treatment, on-call recovery coaches in hospital emergency rooms, and the purchase of 10,000 Narcan doses distributed around the state. Experts who spoke today say the state has made gains in this area of treatment.
What I'm concerned about now is that those gains could potentially be lost if we don't have an ongoing commitment that resources are sustained.
Senator Blumenthal said today during his press conference that there were over 1,000 overdose deaths in 2019, up dramatically from just over 300 7 years ago. Coming up at 5:30, we spoke with a doctor. Hear what he has to say about a new drug that is gaining popularity to fight opioid addiction. Live in Meriden, Mike Massaro, NBC Connecticut News. Back to you guys.
All right.